Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Edge 30 to an Android device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both of them. Now click on the search bar, type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now from this screen here, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, you need to select send on Motorola and receive on an Android. Then click on all of those type of dots and select send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a while though to transfer all of them, so I will go with only one. Tap on send and click on got it. Over here on an Android, just no thanks and close this window. After that, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and connect those smartphones by choosing receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!